Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the crosshair on the AOC monitor. For desktop with AOC monitor, pressing the right arrow button on the monitor will help disable the red crosshair. Look at the right arrow on the AOC monitor or third button from the left on the control panel. Press it and see if the crosshair disappears. There may be a button located on the AOC monitor's back and pressing it down will make the crosshair disappear. If you use a laptop but suffer from crosshair stuck on the screen, pressing fry may help deactivate the red crosshair on the monitor. A clean boot start Windows with minimal setups programs and drivers to help identify if a background program causes a red crosshair. In the Windows search box, type msconfig and hit enter to open system configuration. In the service tab, tick hide all Microsoft services and hit disable all. Now head to startup and open Task Manager. In Task Manager, choose each startup item and hit disable. Then save the change in the system configuration. To remove the crosshair, keep Windows up to date as it includes new features and improvement. Before installing updates, remember to make a backup for PC as potential data loss or system issues may happen unexpectedly. As a prevention tip, run the backup software Mini Tools Shadow Maker for PC backup. Then go to Setting, click Update and Security, then select Windows Update in Windows 10 or directly go to Setting. Next, go to Windows Update on Windows 11. Check for available updates and download and install them on the device. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.